What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Party Animals on PC on Steam using a PS4 controller. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up Steam, click over here to Steam, Settings, and find where it says Controller. And right here you can see Enable Steam Input for PlayStation Controllers. Go ahead and turn this on. You can close that. Next thing you need to do is to connect your PS4 controller to your computer. So you can either use a cable or you can do it wirelessly with Bluetooth. But first, let me show you how to do it with a cable. So all you really have to do is just plug it in just like this. Now, if you do this with the cable, you might run into a problem where you're not hearing any sound. So if that happens, all you have to do is to click over here to the sound icon, click over here, and choose whichever one of these is your headphones. Try to figure out which one is your headphones or speakers, whatever you're using. But for me, I know it's this one. And just try to adjust the volume. And yeah, that's it. Now I can hear the audio. So yeah, if that happens, just click here, try to figure out whichever one of these is your headphones, and that's it. So now let me show you how to do it wirelessly with Bluetooth. So let me go ahead and unplug this. So to do this with Bluetooth, what you're going to want to do is to press and hold the home button and the share button at the same time until your controller starts blinking. And now as you can see, it's blinking. You want to go over here to the search bar to the bottom left, search for Bluetooth and other devices settings, and go ahead and click add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth, and wireless controller should pop up. So go ahead and click that. And now it says your device is ready to go. So that's pretty much it. So let's click done, minimize this, and let's go ahead and open up big picture mode. So you just want to go over here, enter big picture mode. And now as you can see, I can navigate using my controller. So let's go ahead and open up Party Animals right here. And as you can see, I can already use my controller on the menu. So let's just go to a custom game just so I can show you how this works. And let's just add an AI player and let's start. And let's just use this guy. And as you can see, I can already play with my controller and I got knocked out. But yeah, I can move around, I can move the camera, and there you go, it works. That's how you do it. It works. Now, once you're done using your controller, if you're doing this wirelessly, I'm going to show you how to properly disconnect it wirelessly. So go ahead and click on the search bar again and type Bluetooth and other devices settings and open it up. And as you can see, wireless controller connected. Click here, remove device. Click yes, and that's it. You're done. Alright guys, so that is how you play Party Animals on PC on Steam using a PS4 controller. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I'll leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll put a link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.